In today's video, I'm going to teach you Docusign eSignature, how to edit a template. First, sign into your Docusign account. Open your browser and head to the Docusign app. Use your usual credentials or your organization's single sign-on if that's how you normally access Docusign. Once you're in, you'll land on the home or send dashboard. Next, navigate to the templates area. You can get there from the main navigation. And this is where all your reusable templates live, whether they're ones you created or ones shared with your team, depending on your permissions. Find the template you want to modify. If you have a long list, use the search bar or apply filters like ownership or date modified to narrow it down quickly. When you see the template, look to the right side for the drop-down arrow or the three-dot menu. Click that, then choose Edit. This opens the template editor so you can safely update the reusable version rather than changing a single envelope. You'll now see the template's details and content. Think of this as the workspace where you can fine-tune everything before it's used again. Keep in mind, editing a template affects future sends, not envelopes that have already gone out. Start with the documents, remove any outdated files by deleting them from the template, then upload your updated versions. Use finalized PDFs or documents with stable formatting to prevent fields from shifting. If possible, keep page order and file names consistent so any existing field anchors still line up correctly. After uploading, quickly flip through the pages to confirm everything looks clean. Move on to recipients. Update roles and names as needed. Roles are placeholders like buyer or manager, which keep your template reusable. If the template is meant for repeated use with different people, leave emails blank and stick with roles. Adjust routing order if necessary so signers receive the envelope in the right sequence. Then update fields. Drag and drop signature, date, and data fields onto the correct spots in the document. Assign each field to the right recipient role. For text or number fields, set validation and required options to reduce mistakes. Reposition anything that looks misaligned and zoom in to check edges so fields don't overlap important text. When you're done, click Save and Close. If you need to preserve the original as a backup, you can use Save As to create a new template with your changes. That's it, your template is now updated and ready for the next send.